there, people. Right, I'm going to show you how to create this Battlefield 3 font. Okay, you're going to need to do a few things first, but I'll put that in the description at the bottom of this video. Right, okay, so let's get started. First, new canvas. Let's make it quite big so you can see what's going on. Okay, 1280 by 720. You need a transparent background. Okay, so there we go. Next of all, we're going to create the text. There's the font I've downloaded. Like I said, I will be putting it in the description. And you need a nice large size. Okay, so all we'll do is we'll type that in. Oh, wrong colour, but there you go. Let's change that to black. Okay, so we got that. Let's move it down there a bit, and now we create a new layer. So if you go down to the bottom here, just click on there, and up pops a new layer. Okay, take our magic wand tool, highlight everything, but don't forget to do inside there. So hold shift down, click inside the numbers, inside the letters, sorry. Okay. Right, now we go on to select and inverse. So all that's highlighted now is just these things. Okay, click on our new layer, go back to select, roll down to modify and expand. It's already set there, look, expand by 5 pixels. The default setting is 1 pixel, but if you expand it by 5, see now the edges there grow. Okay, so what we now need to do is take a paint bucket, make sure it's black on the foreground colour, and click, so that now grows. Okay, drag first layer down below there, take this layer, and now we need to change that. Whoops, I'll tell you what, let's do it the easy way. Okay, highlight that, and there we go. Alright, so that now is our layers, but we need to deselect all that. So there we go. Right, next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to make the blue colours that rise from the bottom to about halfway up. So we need again to make a new 6 pixels by 6. Okay, it's very small. Just enlarge it to about that size. Now we're going to need our pencil tool, which is here. Okay, 1 pixel. This is where we're going to need the colour. Okay, the colour is C3 EBFF, which is there. That's the colour. Take your pencil tool and draw 2 stripes of that colour straight down the centre. Okay. Go into edit and define pattern. Pattern number 4. I've already got loads of these in, so I'm not going to bother saving it. But just define pattern. You can call it grid, you can call it blue lines, call it what you like. Click OK. Okay, so now we've got this. We need to create a new layer. There. Go into it's edit, isn't it? Click fill or shift F5 and then define your pattern. In there, custom pattern, yes, everything else is the same, and click OK. And there we go. Now we need to move it slightly. So we're going to edit and transform and just rotate. Doesn't need to be a lot. That's probably, there you go, just so you see just here it's starting to move off the letters. Okay, so about there, and hit your enter button. Okay, now what we need to do is hide these layers. Okay, take your magic wand tool again. Whoops, make sure you click on the right layer, and again make sure you go in the letters. Okay, let's go back onto this layer, highlight it all again, and just hit delete, and there you're left with that. Okay, once again move it down there. Okay, deselect all again. So what we're now left with is that. It's all very straightforward, very quick and very simple. Right, next we need the eraser tool. Click on that, make sure it's a minimum of 75, and then all we do is we go over and just make sure we erase all the blue, and we want it roughly halfway up. There we go. Now all I'm going to do is create a new fill layer, solid color, and we're going to have it in black. Okay, just drag it right to the bottom, and there we go. It is as easy as that. Right, I hope this is helpful to you all. If you like it, rate it.